Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How do you solve this problem? We have f of x squared plus 1 divided by x squared equals x to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by x power 5. Which method do you use to solve this? Let's hear the answer in the comment box. And I'll be solving this in two different ways. Let's consider the solution. We have this domain as x power of 2 plus 1 over x power of 2. And here we have the quintic, which is power of 5, x power 5 plus 1 divided by x power 5. Let's expand x power 5 plus 1 divided by x power 5. So if you have x power 5 plus 1 divided by x power 5, so this is the same thing as when we have x plus 1 divided by x, all this in brackets, then multiply by x to the power of 4, then minus x power of 3 using binomial expansion, multiply by 1 divided by x, and we have plus x power of 2 multiply by 1 divided by x to the power of 2. So we have minus x multiplied by 1 divided by x power of 3, and we have plus 1 divided by x power of 4. And having this, we have this equals x plus 1 divided by x in bracket, then multiply by, this is x power 4. If you combine it with 1 divided by x power 4, we are going to have x power 4 plus 1 over x power of 4. Then minus, here we have x power of 3 multiplied by 1 over x. So if x cancelled x here, so this gives us minus x power 2. And also for this, 1x cancel 1x here. So we have this as minus 1 divided by x power of 2. So this and this cancelled, we have only plus 1. And by writing this properly, this equals x plus 1 divided by x, all this in bracket, multiply by open bracket x power of 4 plus 1 divided by x power 4. Then if I bracket this, and also we have this as plus 1, let's take out negative from here. Negative bracket x power of 2 plus 1 divided by x power of 2, all this in bracket and everything in bracket. So after getting this, we should now note that all this is a result of when we have f of x squared plus 1 divided by x squared. This equals the whole of this x power 5 plus 1 over x power of 5. That is x plus 1 over x. This in bracket, then multiply by open bracket x power 4 plus 1 divided by x power 4. Then plus 1 minus open bracket x power 2 plus 1 divided by x power 2. Then we have to consider that this is domain. We have to do some little manipulation here. We want to make everything that is at this side to have x power of 2 plus 1 over x power of 2 being the first method I'm going to be applying here. So let's start from x power of 4 plus 1 over x power of 4. So if we have x power of 4 plus 1 divided by x power 4, so this is the same thing as when we have it as x power of 2 plus 1 divided by x power of 2 all raised to power of 2. If I try to expand the whole of this, then I subtract minus 2 from it. It's still the same thing as x power 4 plus 1 divided by x power of 4. So you can just try that one by expanding the whole of this and subtract 2. So this is what we are going to get. But what of x plus 1 divided by x power of 2? So how can we do that? It's very simple. So this is just as when we have x plus 1 over x. So it's the same thing as when we have x power 2 plus 1 divided by x power 2. Then plus 2 multiplied by 2x multiplied by 1 divided by x. And this does not end there. So we are going to take the square root of everything, because the whole of this expression is like when we have x plus 1 over 2 all raised to power 2. So this is what we are going to get. Then after having this expression, then we're now going to substitute, and we are going to let. And looking at this, we have x cancelled x. So if x cancelled x, so which means we only have plus 2 at this point. So therefore we have f of x squared plus 1 divided by x squared. So this gives us, so for x plus 1 over x, so this is just like when we have the square root of x squared plus 1 divided by x squared, then plus 2. So this is in bracket, then multiply by the other side, which is x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. So this gives us x power 2 plus 1 divided by x power 2, then all raised to power of 2. So all this in bracket like this, and we subtract minus 2 from here. So this is for x power 4 plus 1 over x power of 4. Then we have plus 1. And again, we have plus x power of 2 plus 1 divided by x power of 2. So all this in bracket. So after having this, we're now going to let x power of 2 plus 1 divided by x power 2 to be equals y. So we can let it to be y, or we can let it to be another letter. So by letting it to be y, so we are going to have f of y equals, so for here we have x power 2 plus 1 over x power 2, so which gives us the square root of y plus 2, open bracket. So similarly for this side, we have x power 2 plus 1 over x power 2, so that gives us y power 2. Then we have minus 2 plus 1, that gives us minus 1. And also for this, we have plus x power 2 plus 1 over x power of 2, that gives us plus y. So at this point here is negative, so this is negative, so all in bracket. So then we are going to do the final replacement of this. So we have f of y equals the square root of y plus 2 bracket. Here is y squared minus y minus 1. So if I replace y with x, we have f of x equals the square root of x plus 2, open bracket. Here is x squared minus x minus 1. And this is the final answer for this. And note that if you have the domain of this, considering this expression here, we have non-negative at some point here. So if you have x at minus 3 upward, so this does not be part of the domain. So that is, the domain of this must start from minus 2, minus 1, 0, and all the positive values. That's only when we can have the valid function at this point. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.